Alright, welcome back to the farm here. Our Angus cows are doing pretty good. Probably game I like to go find the 44th pony. There it is. We're gonna bring back the bales. Alright. You know, I'm not even sure if I'm going to use the rear spike. I think I could probably. This is a little 8R. I don't understand why it's light. It's light on the front end. I think we'll have a decent supply. Not really gonna worry about this tractor tipping too much. I do have it fully widened out. This yard is really tight. I could probably put bales up in the wall. Oh, this is so nice. You can just roll the bales. We're gonna have to make a decent amount of bales. Come on. Alright. This isn't gonna take long. Just mashing into the stave silos. That was pretty clean. I probably shouldn't have put it in this barn. Let me see if I ram this into a bale, if I can pull the bale off with super strength. These bales are a decent weight for the front of this 82. back up here. Growing rivers. Why is this not? We're getting a decent amount done. Next episode, we're probably going to till this up. Plant probably alfalfa, and then we're going to finish the second half in November. Where did my bale go? I had a bale in Yeah, let me back this. Wait, why? This is a decent sized pile of straw. Alright. Let me grab the next. Alright, we're a third of the way there. Let's see. Can I put 2 bales on here? Highly doubt it. Yeah, I think I can. Yeah. I probably should. This is a decent sized field. One thing I want with Farm Sim is a yield bonus for not picking up the straw. Because right now straw is so lucrative. And there's literally no reason not to bale the straw. It's literally more money. Because I could have finished harvesting and ended up just baling. But I think I'm gonna leave that bit there in case we get any more manure. Well, in case we get manure and I need somewhere to haul it on to. Which could happen. Move out of the way. Back that up. Yeah, next go around we should buy a trailer. And just throw all the bales onto a trailer and then just stack them. Because I don't want to be doing this again. Although there's a lot of things we still need to buy. Ideally grain bins. I want to put a bin up. Ideally I want to put a bin up so I have something then to feed out of. So I don't have to be doing nonsense like this. Or combine and grind, combine and grind. It's just ridiculous. The grind. Ba-ding-ting. Yeah, I did speak to my word, and I did bail. Also, we could wrap our straw, potentially. I'm not 100% sure if you can wrap straw. I don't think you can. There's probably a mod too. I don't know what gave me the idea to be like stacking this double in the shed. Because that's making it take forever. Oh my god. You know what? We're gonna cheat. Today I'm gonna teach you how to put bales on loader arms. We're going to be moving 3 bales at a time. Bonus bale. Come on, bonus bale. If I just drive it carefully. Bonus bale. This is why I love farm sim, because you can do fun stuff like this. But it's still realistic. Why buy a bonus bale? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, laddie. Stop. Oh, bonus bale, you have a job now. You're the bale knocker. Another stack. I think I'll try and fill as much as I can that grinder mixer up with. I'll just do corn. Because I'm going to plant some alfalfa for where we're taking the bales off of. Just to have some to use. Just to throw something else in the feed ration or in straw. Soybeans. I'm not sure what the next load's gonna be, if it's oh man, we're gonna have 4 bales. Bonus bale is gonna have a friend. Are you happy, bonus bale? I swear, we probably forgot one. No, all bales are counted for. Come on, don't tip, don't tip, don't tip. I'm gonna drive you like a grandma. Oh, look at this. Come on. Look at our yard. Our yard's such a mess. Bonus bale. Why are my graphics settings turned way down? Is it just this model that's bad? Let me make sure. Yeah, I think it's just that model. Look at this. Full bin of beans, almost full gravity wagon. A full bin of beans, almost full bin of beans. Shot. Damage. It's got 5% damage. I haven't used that for nothing. We are going to. We got a decent amount of bales off of that. Like nothing crazy, but like 24 bales we got off of that is pretty good. Especially for not even being half the field, I don't think. Their health is at 0, that's sad. Where are you at? Oh yeah, that's not even close to half. I think the next crop we should do is something like canola. Not oats, because you can't. I don't think you can grind those. No, it's just hogs that can't eat oats. We could do it, but those have straw, and I don't really want to do straw. We could do sorghum, that could work. I think I'll do some sorghum. I also thought about doing some oilseed radish just to boost the yield a little bit. I'm also really excited because we're about to hit 50 subs. We're only 2 away. I'm planning on doing a farming simulator. I'm doing a live stream where you choose what we do. We choose what map, what animals, what equipment, what land we buy, what buildings we buy even. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Maybe subscribe so you know when that's happening. Although probably like none of you have watched to this point. Please tell me if you have, because I'm very proud of you. Bonus Bale is proud of you. Both Bonus Bales are proud of you, actually. Right, Bonus Bales? Back there's some stuff. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope to get away with it. Oh, doo-da-day. We have 44,000 water bottles worth of hay. Not hay, straw. That's a lot. Oh, wait. Yeehaw, yeehaw. Alright. I just had like a seizure. This one's gonna be off-centered. Who cares? Cows. Wait, school. Yeah, I was gonna say that, did not. Last bale. Now we're gonna get to grinding. This is gonna take every tractor. I just realized that. To fill the grind. I wanna almost fill up the TMR cart. Now this is a TMR mixture. TMR cart doesn't mix, it just dumps. I know my things. I just slammed that into there. I'm gonna grab the 44. 4420. Oh, this tractor's reverse gear is so slow. We're gonna need pretty much full load of beans. I don't know what we're gonna hopefully make it decent. We're gonna have to rush to put in alfalfa. Make that even slower. Come on, don't run into the auger. Just line up the gravity line, and that's all that matters. We're gonna like not even fill the TMR cart. This is why we need another tractor. For like feeding like this. It'd be so nice because we could have tractors running while we're feeding cows. This is gonna be tedious, but it'll work. And then we'll just I'm gonna turn off. We're really... Ooh. That's pouring. I'm gonna have to hop in the 82. So I'm gonna put both spheres right up against the staves here where we're gonna lose them. He's just about empty. You're not empty, dude. There we go. Now that's pouring. It's a lot of mineral. That's empty. That's not empty. And that grinder's pretty slow. So I'm not sure how realistic it really is. The sad fact, it takes all 3 tractors to feed cows efficiently. It's pretty sad. I might throw some straw in here. Come on. Please take the... Just take the bait now. Yep. As I thought. I can give you straw though. I know you love straw. Yeah, we need something else to dilute it. I'm gonna actually throw in another bale. Just so they have plenty of straw. Yeah, all I think... I should grind up some more mineral and put that you. Here. I'll have this empty. Yeah, I think, honestly, I'll just run this up. We'll need to get some alfalfa. Forage? Forage? Let's see what I can load into this. If I could glitch this to get silage, that'd be really nice. Well, I'm gonna get this geared up for I think this will go on the drill. I'll put the 44. I'll throw the cow some straw. Select seed. Let me check. Crop types, that's clover. It's alfalfa. I can get this geared up and ready in the shop. I'm gonna grab the 44. We do need to get some kind of way to spread fertilizer. I think would be pretty beneficial. Just to put second coat on our alfalfa. I'm not sure when we're gonna have to do first cut on that would be. Well, in next episode we're gonna put some alfalfa in the ground. Well, actually, he's going to put alfalfa in the ground because we're going to be doing tillage. But that's all. Bye.